Hello and welcome to Bystra Legacy International.
I'm Ho Chang Seng and
I'm Terence Tay. Together, we are your chief in Bystra Legacy International. First and foremost, we would like to thank you for trusting and have faith in us. In honor to teacher Nora, we are blessed by her to continue her legacy. Therefore, rest assured that we will give our best, nothing but the best for you. In order for us to give our best to all of you here, we would like to request three things from you. Number one, always have an open mind while learning. Number two, have utmost respect towards each other in the community. And number three, your commitment in submitting assignments, back testing, forward testing, and able to receive constructive feedback.
in Bystra Legacy International's syllabus, you will learn the basic that relates to Bystra setup and of course the fantastic 5 setups. You will then learn the proper way of determining the price directions and most interesting part, mitigate risk using the NORA entry concept which improve the risk reward ratio.
In this course, you will learn 5 different sessions in minimum of 5 days. You are required to complete the videos by number without skipping the videos. Certain videos require you to do your assignments and or need to submit to the assignment group in Telegram once completed your course. Each session will release 24 hours after you are on board. Each session has graded quiz, which you need 80% before you are able to move on to the next session. And of course, you are able to review and revise on what you had studied.
Upon completion of the course, a certificate of graduation will be issued to you. At the end of the course, you'll be given links to the Bystra Legacy International discussion group, assignments group, and also the mapping analysis group. Once again, welcome to Bystra Legacy International and we're looking forward meeting you soon.